So hi friends, this is Amit and you're watching my channel Information and Educational Video. Here I will discuss about the Triple IT Bhubaneswar College. It is not the Indian Institute of Information Technology. It is International Institute of Information Technology and it is different from other Triple IT that you can get through JOSA counseling. This college also you will able to get the JOSA counseling but only 50% seat. But the remaining 50% seat is reserved for Odisha student only. Here I will try to provide you the information how you can get the college. Obviously for JOSA counseling you can do the similar type of counseling like other triple IT as well, but here for Odisha student, that is for Odisha category, I will try to provide you each and everything about the triple IT Bhubaneswar College here in this same video. First of all, let's talk about the date. For this year, the application has been started from 19th August itself, that is for the counseling process, and the last date is 10th of September. And round wise allotment will be done similar to JOSA counseling, and then the date for allotment will be followed like JOSA counseling itself, that is when you will get the JOSA counseling allotment on the same day you will get this allotment also, but in different way. But you have to go to the official website, there you will able to check it once you do the registration for the counseling process. That is, it is the different counseling, that is separate counseling done by Triple IT Bhubaneswar itself. So hope you get the information about the date. So now we will discuss about the institute. You already know it is the Triple IT, that is International Institute of Information Technology, and it is considered under GFTI college in the JOSA counseling. If you will go for JOSA 2021 cutoff in GFTI in cutoff information, you will able to get the Triple IT Bhubaneswar also. So here I will try to provide you all the process that you need to know for the admission. Before that, I would like to inform you about the placement. That is highest placement is 86.55 lakh per annum. The company name is Superworld, and here you can see all the placement record has been provided for the latest year. So placement is very good in Triple IT Bhubaneswar. So if you are from Odisha, this video is for you. Please try to check it very carefully. You will able to get the complete information for the admission. Admission in BTech program will be done through JEE Mains rank only, that I have already suggested you earlier. That is based on the NTA score, and all the thing will be done. That is payment of non-refundable online application fee of online application, round wise online provisional seat allotment, similar type of thing that is according to JOSA counseling will be done here also. Number of seat, that is for home state quota is available, that is a state with S, here it is mentioned. 60 seat for computer science, ECE, that is electronics and telecommunication engineering, 30 seat, and triple E it is 30 seat again, IT 30 seat, computer engineering again 30 seat. So all those seats will be given to home state student, that is half seat, and half seat will be given to other state student. In that also home state student can get through JOSA counseling only, but the 50% is totally reserved for home state candidate. And there is tuition fee waiver scheme as well, that is if your economy is very bad or you can say not good, then you can go for TFW scheme as well. There will be seat reserved for TFW also, that is tuition fee waiver. You will not have to pay any type of tuition fee, and there is 5% seat available for that. And the eligibility criteria is similar to JOSA and CSEP. So this year there is no 75% criteria. Here also it will not be applied. From next year it will be applied. Then 5% relaxation will be given to SC/ST candidate. Here is the definition of the reservation. That is UR means unreserved candidate, means general category, and SC means scheduled caste and scheduled tribe as well, that is ST category, and TFW means tuition fee waiver, as I suggested you earlier. And here all the data are available. You can read the document required for the student, that is native of Odisha. You have to be the native of Odisha, then only you will be eligible. And the income certificate of parents from local Tahsildar issued not earlier than April, means after April 2022 your documents should be there. And for general candidate only the domicile certificate will be required. For SC/ST your category certificate will be required. And there is green card category also available. It is you are a native of Odisha and you have a green card, then you will be eligible for that also. And physically challenged, that is PWD student also there. Minimum 40% disability should be there. And ex-servicemen also reservation available. And there is a GH reservation, that means you have passed the class 10 and class 12 examination from Odisha itself. So here is the detail. And 30% reservation, it is complete reservation available for female category in all the category except TFW. That is if there is 60 seat, then 30% seat, that is 18 seat will be reserved for female candidate. There is a seat conversion rule also. Suppose SC seat will be vacant, if there is not a lots of students who have not applied for SC seat, then those seat will be converted to unreserved category only. So you will have the chances to get good college in the upcoming round as well. So here all the thing has been written clearly, that is the application fee is 1000 and all the thing has been mentioned, that is how you need to do the registration process, and on the website you will able to check the detail also. So seat allotment will be done. After that document verification will be done and your admission will be confirmed. Here is the list of document that you should have completely written. Try to watch it clearly, or you can take the screenshot as well. So everything has been mentioned, document required, and the seat acceptance. You have to pay the 50,000 once you get the seat acceptance fee is 50,000, and once you not pay the fee, your seat will be cancelled. And after getting the seat in first round, you can do pre-slot also, similar to JOSA counseling. Here is the fee structure, that is first year, second year, third year. So around 80 to 90,000 rupees in first year. Similar to that, around 1 lakh or 1.1 lakh will be required from second, third year also, that is second year, third year and fourth year. All the fee detail has been provided here. Please try to check it. And now I will discuss also about the cutoff information that you can expect for this year and what is the cutoff of last year. So please try to watch it up to the last. And there is a scholarship as well. First topper 20,000, second topper 15,000, third topper 10,000. So all type of scholarship are available. For SC ST also 20 to 60,000 per annum will be given, that is scholarship. And for different category there are different type of scholarship available. You can check here. So date already I have provided you, that is the last date to apply for this counseling is up to 10th of September. And also you can take the refund after getting the seat. If you have gone for the next round and you think that I will not take the admission, then you can ask for the refund. You will get 49,000 refund after deducting 1,000, that is processing fee. All the thing I have discussed, and please be very sure, and for the complete counseling guidance you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number. There is a nominal charge for that, and not only for this counseling but for JOSA counseling, OJE counseling, Jack Daily, all type of counseling whatever we will do, I will be guiding you so that you will able to join the best college. There is a nominal charge for that. If you want, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number. Thereafter I will guide you for all the thing, choice filling, decision making after each round, and after admission is done, all the process will be done by me for all the counseling whatever you will do. So all the thing I have discussed, that is reservation, fee structure, placement, everything. And here is the document format, that is certificate of employment of candidate parents, and also here is the detailed certificate of higher school form where the class 10 is completed. So all the thing I have provided you. Now we will discuss about the cutoff. So here is the cutoff detail. Try to listen my word very carefully, because if you will not listen, you may not understand what is the meaning of different type of reservation here. So first is TFW cutoff, that is 5% seat. So for CSE 27,885 rank last year cutoff. So if your rank is around 30,000, you can expect. For electronics and telecommunication up to 60,000 you can expect, and for triple E up to 65 or 70,000 also, because triple E demand is low as compared to previous year in the current year. And for IT it is 41,000, last year it is 41,800. So if your rank is around 45,000, then also you can expect. For computer engineering you can expect up to 55,000, that is for TFW only I provided you. For unreserved category, that is general category, 33,000 is the cutoff for last year. So this year you can expect up to 36,000 as well. For electronics and telecommunication, 62,000 is the cutoff. So up to 70,000 also you can expect, because many of the students don't know about this counseling, so they will not apply, and you will able to get the maximum benefit particularly for the students who are from Odisha. So now if we talk about for triple E, 72,000 is the last year cutoff. So up to 80,000 you can expect. For IT up to 50,000, and for computer engineering up to 55,000 you can expect. That is for general category. Now if we talk about for female candidate, that is general with female, 39,000 you can expect up to 45,000 also this year. And for electronics and telecommunication engineering, 70,000 is the last year cutoff. So up to 75 or 78,000 also you can expect. For triple E up to 85,000, IT up to 67,000, and for computer engineering up to 75,000 you can expect. That is this year cutoff. Now if we talk about for GH, means the student have completed class 10 and 12 from the Odisha state itself. So for CSE 98,000 you can expect up to 1.1 lakh, 1.2 lakh also this year possible. And for IT it is 4 lakh 91,000, so up to 5 lakh also you can expect. And for computer engineering it is 2.5 lakh, so up to 2.8 lakh also possible. And wherever it is blank, that means that category is not reserved for a particular branch in IIIT Bhubaneswar for the Odisha category student. Now if we talk about for GH women, that is for female, it is for CSE only applicable. It is 1.42 lakh, that is 1,42,000. So if your rank is around 1,60,000, then also you can expect. For now, if you talk about for green card holder, it is 41, 77, 78, 52 and 52,000 again. So you can add 5,000 in all the cutoff for this year expected cutoff. And for PWD, that is physically challenged, it is 3,13,000. So if your rank is about 4 lakh, then also you can expect the CSE branch. And for ex-servicemen, 45, 64, 73, 58 and 59,000 is the cutoff for last year. So you can expect this year above 5,000 than what is the cutoff for last year. And for ST, it is 2,70,000, 5,24,000, 6 lakh, 3,75,000. So you can expect up to 5 lakh rank also you will get the seat in IIIT Bhubaneswar. And for ST women, it is again up to 5 or 6 lakh also possible. For ST, the last rank is 1,73,000. So up to 2 lakh rank also you can expect this year the college. You have to do the counseling process very carefully in order to get the best out of your rank, and in that I will be guiding you. And for SC women, it is available up to 3 lakh rank also this year, up to 3.5 also you can expect. So this was the complete information about the cutoff of IIIT Bhubaneswar. For the different counseling, that is separate counseling will be held for the home state student, that is for Odisha category for 50% seat, and 50% seat will be filled through JOSA counseling only. So hope you get this information very useful for you. So please try to subscribe this channel so that you will be getting all the updated information at the right time in the same channel about all the counseling including JOSA and CHEP counseling also in the same channel. Thanks.